Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this card. Today I use milk cotton yarn and 4.5mm hook. Alright, I will start with make ribbing part. Make a slip knot and chain of 12. Skip one chain and make 11 single crochet. For the row number 2, make chain 1, turn your work, and make back loop only single crochet into every stitches. For row number 3 and next row, you just repeat row number 2 until you have your waist measurement. Alright, for mine I make 72 rows and it equal 17.5 inches. Okay, now I will join them together by slip stitching into the both side. Insert your hook into the both stitches and make a slip stitch. And this will be my wrong side. And here is my right side. And now I will work on the right side and make one single crochet in every stitches. Continue make single crochet in every stitches until you finish this row, and after you finish it, connect the single crochet with a slip stitch. And then chain 2 and cut the yarn. And now use stitch marker to mark the both side of the skirt, and we're going to make increase into the stitch that we mark. Now attach the yarn into the middle part of the skirt and make chain 1. And into the same stitch I will make 1 single crochet. Next stitch a double crochet. And continue make alternate of single crochet and double crochet until you reach the stitch marker. After you reach the stitch marker, make 1 lemon peel increase, which is I will make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. And don't forget to put the stitch marker back. And continue make lemon peel stitch until you reach the other stitch marker and make 1 more time lemon peel increase. To make lemon peel increase, same like what we did before, make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Don't forget to mark it again and continue make lemon peel stitch until you finish this row. After you finish this row, make 1 slip stitch into the chain 1 that we made earlier to connect them. For row number 2, chain 1, turn your work into this single crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet, and the chain 1 doesn't count as stitch, and in the next stitch make a single crochet and then continue make alternate of double crochet and single crochet. For row number 2 there is no increase, you just make a lemon peel stitch until you finish this row and attach it with slip stitch. For row number 3, make chain 1, turn your work. Make lemon peel stitch until you reach the stitch marker. After reach the stitch marker, here I will make increase 3, which is 3 stitches into the same stitch. Alright, I will start with double crochet and I add 1 more single crochet and 1 more double crochet. That is how we make increase 3. Put the stitch marker back and continue make lemon peel stitch until you reach the other stitch marker. After you reach the stitch marker, make increase 3 into this stitch. Put the stitch marker back and continue make lemon peel stitch until you finish this row. For the next row, you just repeat row number 2 and row number 3 until you have your hip measurement. Alright, here I done my row number 23. My hip measurement is 32 inches. If you're bigger than mine, just add few more rows until you have your hip measurement. Alright, for the next row, there is no more increase. Just make lemon peel stitch until you have your desired length. Alright, here I make 12 inches for the skirt. Alright, now I will add bottom ribbing part, and I already mark where the slit will be. Attach your yarn and make chain of 8. Skip the first chain and make 6 single crochet. For the last chain, we don't make single crochet into it, just ignore it. And then make 2 slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Turn your work and make 6 back loop only single crochet. Next, chain 1, turn your work and make 6 back loop only single crochet. And then make 2 slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Keep repeating this until you reach the stitch marker. Continue make the last row of ribbing part and then 2 slip stitch into the next 2 stitches and cut the yarn. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!